Letter A.
Small circle.
Small circle. Ayan. The tail. Yan. Letter G. Very good. Letter G dito. Small circle. Again. Dito.
Tayaw.
This. Good job na eh. Your left hand here. Hold paper. Small letter G. Ito. Make a circle muna. Then the tail. Long tail. Like this. Dito. Here. Down, 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 down. Okay. Okay. Wow. Okay. Okay. Down. Yan. Then here. Up. 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 Tapos, dito. Down. Dito. Ganun. Down. A again.
This.
Tail. Letter L. Letter L. Yan.
Dito.
Sud mo dito. Yan.
Dito.
Opo. Down. Down. Letter I. I sa tabi. Dito. Yan.
Dito.
Yup. And period. Period sa taas.
Ito.
Opo. Point. W. Dito. Galing nga yung galing. Dito, Down. Up. Up. Down. Up. Yan. Good job. Small letter A. Small letter A dito. Galing naman ng baby niyo.
Small circle.
Yeah, small circle. On a tail. Tail. Yan. An N. Ito. Letter N. Yan, like this. Good job. Letter G again. Small circle, then long tail. Here. And long tail.
Dito. Tapos.
Long tail. Down. Yan. Tama na. Pakalaki naman. Small letter A ulit. Small letter A.
Small circle.
Small circle. And tail. And letter N again. Here. N. Like that. Like this. Like this. Like this one, Down. Good job. Ang galing-galing. Ang galing-galing.